Hello, educators and language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore creative teaching techniques for ESL classrooms. Today, we're putting a linguistic twist on a classic game, Tic-Tac-Toe. It's a fantastic way to make learning English fun and engaging. Let's dive in. Tic-Tac-Toe, also known as Noughts and Crosses, is a game we've all played. But have you considered using it to boost your students' language skills? Let me show you how. Divide your students into two teams. One will be X and the other O. To claim a square, a team must successfully complete its challenge. For example, imagine there are 9 squares, and each one has a question. If Team X wants to put their X on square number 3, they need to answer the question for square number 3 first. The type of question can change depending on what you're learning about. So, if you're learning about the simple past tense, the question in square number 3 will be about the simple past. This method not only encourages teamwork but also puts their knowledge to the test in a fun setting. Adjust the difficulty based on your students' levels. For beginners, simple words or phrases will do. For advanced learners, consider complex sentence structures or idiomatic expressions. Here are some tips. First, instead of a blank grid, fill each square with a specific language goal. This could be a vocabulary category or a specific sentence structure. Players must correctly use or answer the prompt in their chosen square before marking it with their symbol, X or O. Second, after a game, spend a few minutes discussing any mistakes or interesting sentences that came up. This can be a great opportunity for peer correction and to clarify common errors. Finally, rotate roles. Students can also take turns being the game master, who moderates the game, asks the questions, and judges the responses. This encourages leadership skills and a deeper engagement with the language. And there you have it, a simple, fun, and interactive way to practice English in your classroom. Give it a try, and let us know how it goes by leaving a comment below. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ESL teaching strategies. Happy teaching, and see you in the next video.